Good morning, good morning. Welcome back, my loves and my lovelies. Let's check on the girls. Let's check on the girls. Everybody's just now waking up out here. Jalapenos is looking very fruitful. Just beautiful. Bell peppers is looking really good. I see one there. I see one here. One there. Little baby one. Everybody is looking fruitful. Don't look like we have anything on this one. Okra is doing good. Look at that flower on that okra, y'all. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. And here's the other okra plant. Just beautiful. Banana peppers are looking real fruitful. Candy cane peppers. I don't see a new one yet, but it's growing. If anybody remembers when I first planted the candy cane peppers, the plant was so little. It has gotten so big. Tomatoes is just all over the place. No matter how much I prune, it just keep growing. But yeah, we have quite a few tomatoes. I'm happy about the tomatoes, y'all. Very happy about the tomatoes. I'm gonna have to get that up. But yeah, the tomatoes are looking great. Another little pepper tree here. Got our orange bell peppers. Got one. I see a few flowers. But we got one orange bell pepper that's almost ready. And we got, what we got on this pepper plant here? We got a gigantic pepper. Look at that pepper, y'all. Look how big that pepper is. Just beautiful. It was two on that one, but one fell off. And then we got our cucumbers over here. The little baby. Oh. We have a few more on here. Let's see. I hate the feel of cucumber plants. Oh, there's a beauty. They smell so good. There's another one. The lemon cucumber has just taken over. But I haven't had any fruit on them at all. But hopefully I have some shortly. My little onions. Oh. I said I was going to plant some more onion seeds. I haven't got around to it, y'all. The pineapples are still doing good. And look at these little babies. Oh. I kind of just let my plants have their way, y'all. I'm going to put a trellis, well, my husband going to put a trellis on that back wall over there so Miss Lemon Cucumber can get off of the screen. Pineapples are still doing good. Just a quick update on the girls. Everything is moving right along. I can't complain. Got the berry bushes out here. Now I know I won't get any fruit off of these bushes this year, but I want to go ahead on and start them. And of course I have somewhere safe to keep them when the winter time comes. I guess I'll just leave that door open for a while. I normally leave the door open for a while to let a few bees in. Okay. Now I accidentally took the head off this lettuce. Not knowing, but now I know. And then the other lettuce plants, I just took some off our hamburgers. So yes, they are still doing well. Y'all know lavender been dead. And strawberries are coming back healthier. I'm still learning, y'all, with them strawberries. But yes, everything is beautiful. I'm super duper happy. This is just a morning check-in. I'm pretty sure it'll be 100 degrees here today. I hope you guys have a great day on today. Just look at that, just beautiful. So happy with those okra plants. And I'm so happy with my greenhouse. It was well worth it. Look at that cucumber, y'all. Oh. You guys, please hit that like button, that subscribe button. Leave your comments and your hellos and good mornings down in the comments section. And I will see you guys in the next video.